Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm doing some garden favorites. So hold on to your hat. If that's something you want to learn how to do and then how to cook it, you have found the right page. Let me just see here. I've got 5 homegrown potatoes. And what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to cut them thin. I'm going to put them on a baking pan. And I'm going to put them in the air fryer. We're going to have ribeyes and some roasted potatoes. Let me just see what I'm going to do here. Let me get my knife. That is not the right knife. There we go. Okay, these have been washed. I'm going to leave the skins on. I'm going to cut them about, I don't know, not even 1/4 of an inch thick. The thing about potatoes is they take on whatever flavor you put in them. Let me get my John Deere bowl going here. This bowl was made for me by my oldest son, favorite son, Drew, when he was just a little boy, and I love it. My hubs is out of the garden, hopefully finding some squash, so we can have some of that this week too. But these are yellow potatoes. I got these Smith Farms in Gibsonville. We have eaten them roasted and we have eaten them baked, and they are so good. Nice Sunday afternoon. It's hot, but we've been lounging and resting, and this one's a white one, the potato. My guys are meat and potato guys, so every meal they want a meat and a potato, and then they really don't care about the rest, to be honest with you. Like if I do green beans, they'll eat that, or a salad, they'll eat that. But they really don't. If you got a meat and a potato, you're in good shape around here. Okay, to this, I'm going to add some olive oil. And then I'm going to put some seasoning in here. Just about 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to put some salt, pepper, some onion powder, and some garlic powder, and then give these a little toss. We love garlic powder. And I love onion powder too. It smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna give these a toss. These would be great for the 4th of July or for the barbecue. You can do these on the grill. You can do them in the oven. I'm gonna do mine in the air fryer. Let me grab a spoon. Make sure they all get coated. This would be good with real onions as well. Now to this, I'm going to add some fresh rosemary. Not a lot. Rosemary is really strong. It has a lot of pungent flavor, so I don't want to overdo it with rosemary. About a 1/2 teaspoon should do. Okay, let me give those another toss. Dill would be good on these if you have dill in your garden. Whoops, a large one. I'm gonna lay these out. as even as I can get them and stick them in my air fryer. And I'm gonna have to check the time on my air fryer, to be honest with you. I'm guessing about 40 minutes on 400, but I'll look it up, make sure. But that's gonna be our side. And you could do this with squash and onions. You could do this with zucchini. You could do this with carrots. You could do this with any vegetable you're getting from your garden right now. And that is going to be our side for supper for tonight, alongside of our ribeyes. Stay tuned to this page if you want to see a lot more farm to table. We love it here, and we're blessed and thankful to have the bountiful harvest. Potatoes, y'all. That's what I'm doing in my kitchen. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you.